Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for one outdoors. So come on with me, guys. All right, so I am using my white cushions on my chair, and then I'm going to be using some black and white decor pieces to decorate my table. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Living the Outdoor Life, and today ends the series. This is being hosted by Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY home decor, that's myself, and then I have some beautiful co-hosts. So we have Jennifer at Home, Home by Design with Marilyn, Debbie Bubbles, Barbie Daily, Rule Life in the Valley, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jennifer at Home, and Jean Home Decor, and more. As in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Click the like button, guys, full watch the video, and run the playlist. Leave them an encouraging comment because this can make anyone's day. Alright, so then I decided to incorporate some natural elements. So I'm absolutely loving that placemat, the round one, which is like bamboo-like. And then we have the wooden charger. Then I went in and started looking through my stuff, and I found these beautiful plates, and so we're using that. So we're going with the black and white theme and also those natural elements. So I'm loving how it's looking, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this as well. Now I'm trying to tie everything in with that buffalo check napkin, which matches the original placemat. So I think this is looking absolutely beautiful. I decided to go ahead and place my neutral bird out here with some greenery. So I think this is looking amazing. Let's head on over to the reveal. I do want to take a moment and thank each and every one of you that participated in this wonderful collaboration called Living the Outdoor Life. We will be bringing it back in next year, and I thank everyone who couldn't participate, who did support us by watching. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.